This was a very unique design, very unique studio that they have formatted here, and we are on the end stages of this here on the ranch. This is a 12-inch panel with an 1.5 inch double hemlock system. This also has what we call backer rod. It is something that we use on a flat panel system in order to raise the center of your panel so that it prevents oil canning during install, after install, and any time that you would have heating and contracting on these steel panels, which will happen here in Texas. This roof is completely enclosed on the top. It does have a top piece of cap flashing for a flat roof that allows us to flash it from the top of the panels, wrap all the way around the fascia, come down and re-wrap the bottom side so that it also meets the soffit line up here in the front. Very unique system. It was a piece of steel that, like I said, this was a special design for this house. The architect really wanted this to stand out, it being the first project for the ranch. Also, we wanted to completely leave a clean, flat look up in the front face of this, which you can absolutely tell you will not get with a piece of hardy board or a piece of siding of any type of sort. This is a very clean, flat look that will never age. Getting back around to the other side of the build is pretty much identical to the other side, except this has a door entryway and a window on this side. This will have skirting that goes all the way around the bottom of the building to prevent any type of animals, bugs, ants, whatever, get up underneath the foundation of this and actually try and come up through the center, as this is considered a library of sorts, so that it oversees their entire property. Very beautiful views out here. The last thing left is to do cleanup around and to put skirting around this building, and it will be wrapped. We should be finished with this project very soon. Our installers are great that are working on this. Thank y'all very much, and I'll see y'all next time.